Hello everyone! Okay guys, today's video is a quick look at what I have inside of my Toledo leather Chelsea shopper. Now guys, I'm not 100% sure that is even the name of this bag, but I believe this is the Toledo Chelsea shopper. Okay, so inside this center compartment here, I have my iPad mini in here. And in the back pocket, the back compartment, I have my Dooney and Bourke red Florentine small cosmetic case. And inside here I have just makeup and accessories, just a bunch of cosmetics basically. I also have inside of my Chelsea shopper, this is the coated canvas chevron, is it chevron? Or the coated canvas wristlet. I don't think it's chevron. And inside here I just have a bunch of hair accessories and a little mirror. And this is the large slim wristlet in the Florentine leather, the color red. And in here I have some tissues and a compact. And I have all of my items standing up like this inside of my bag. Okay. I recently purchased this Sudden signature wallet with the red suede trim, and this is really one of my few signature pieces. I'm really not that crazy about the initials, but I really want it. This is part of the 40th anniversary, so I really want it to get this piece and add it to my collection. It's just lots of room, large gusset, plenty of space. You can get plenty in here, and even my iPhone 6 Plus will fit in here, and I can snap my wallet and just take it as a small clutch if I want. And I have my glasses in the little pocket here, some chapstick, Lady Gaga hand lotion, and a nail file. And these are the items that I have inside of my Toledo leather shopper. Guys, forgive me if that is not the name of this bag. Okay, I'm just going to place my items back inside. Oh, and I just switched out from my, and I just used the same accessories. I switched out from my sandwich satchel. I've been carrying this bag for over 2 weeks, and I rarely carry my bags that long, but I've just been just absolutely loving this, but I thought I would switch out. This is the Florentine leather sandwich satchel. Alrighty guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone have a pleasant day. There's some weight to this bag, guys. I mean, it's pretty heavy. Alrighty, thank you so much ladies, and you have a pleasant day.